Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making cornmeal porridge. I haven't had this in so long, so I'm about to show y'all how I make this real quick. Now it's time to mix the cornmeal in a bowl. You're going to mix it with some water. Now you're going to add some salt. Now it's time to mix the cornmeal. We're going to mix it into a smooth paste, and then it's ready to pour in the pot. So I decided to use a fork instead, so it would be whisk it out better. So it's time to pour it in. And while you pour it in, you gotta mix it so you won't get lumpy. Just gotta keep mixing it. Right here I added some water because I didn't want to get thick before I added the milk. because the milk is the last ingredients you add. So I just added a little water so it won't get thick. Then you're gonna cover it up and let it simmer for like 10 minutes. I'm getting my milk ready. It's almost time to pour it in. I'm about to show y'all how it's looking right now. Now it's time to add the ingredients. I didn't add a lot of cinnamon because I don't like cinnamon like that. And I don't want it to take over the porridge. But I love the smell of the nutmeg and the vanilla together. It smells so good. So it's time to put the nutmeg in, and I only used half of it. I didn't want to use the whole thing. And half of it was good enough for me anyways. So yeah, after you do this, you're gonna mix it together, like mix it real good together. And then you're gonna cover it and let it simmer. Then you cover it up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then back to mixing it. And then you're gonna add the milk. Now it's time to add your milk. You can add the whole can if you want, but I added most of it. I just didn't. I left some because I wanted to eat with some bread, some Ordo bread. My Jamaicans know what I'm talking about. Condensed milk with some Ordo bread is everything. So yeah, right now it's looking like a white creamy color. You just gotta keep mixing the milk in until everything comes together, and then you just let it simmer. I let it simmer for like another 3 minutes after I put the milk in, and then I turned it off. You taste it, see how good it is. It was ready. I'm just gonna let it simmer for a little bit more. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Now it's time to eat. So go enjoy your porridge with some bread, crackers, or by itself. It tastes good either way. I had let it simmer for a little bit and then I turned it off. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.